So here we are again. We've learned how to create new articles and how to edit our articles. Of course, we've learned how to log in to the admin backend, and we've learned how to make menu items. Here we're going to learn how to add a user and how to change our site name, site keywords, and site description. So here we are in the control panel again. And to add a new user, we go to User Manager. Currently, I am the only user for our site. But if you want to add a new user, you go to New, and here's where you enter their details. So let's name them Test User, username Test User, email test@test.com. Of course, you enter valid details here. You assign a password, and then you assign a group. If you want them to just use the site without having access to the administrator backend, keep them as registered. But if you want them to be a site administrator, you drop down and give them super administrator rights. And that is it. And you save it. You see now there are 2 users. And you can add as many users as you want and give them different group entitlements as you want. Now, you cannot delete a super administrator, but if you click on them and change them to another group like registered, then you can go ahead and delete them. And so we're back to where it's just me. And that's how you add a new user. Let's go back to the control panel and I will show you where you change your site name, keywords, and description. In the control panel, we go to Global Configuration. And with Global Configuration, here is where you make all the changes. Under the tag Site, you do not want to change anything in System, and you do not want to change anything in Server. So you just stay on Site. And this is where you enter your site name. I can add productions to ours. And in here is where you add your keywords and your description. I'm going to leave ours blank for now because we're still working on it. But yours already has some keywords and a site description. If you want to change these, feel free. Just go in there and describe your site and add keywords to it. And when you're done, just hit save. And now your keywords and your site description and site name have been updated. And that is how you add a new user and how you change your site name, your keywords, and your site description.